Hello. If you're looking for a free tool to record videos on your machine, then I think OBS is a great free and open source video recording tool that you could use. The interface could be a bit intimidating, but with a few steps in this video, you can be up and running in no time. First, we could you could install it by going online to obsprojects.com. So let's go online. I will paste the URL in the video description. And so if you put obsproject.com, hit enter. And in my case, I'm using Windows, so I'll just click on the Windows installer. And it will start downloading. Once the download is finished, click on the installer and follow the simple steps to install. Okay, once you install it, open the app, OBS. The easiest way to start with is clicking Tools to set up your preferences and select Auto Configuration Wizard. You can select Optimize for streaming, Optimize just for recording, or for virtual camera. In my case, or for most cases, you could use Optimize just for recording. And once you have the recording, you can later use it for streaming or as a for virtual camera. So I'll click Next. And then it has a predefined option selected for you. So in my case, the monitor in which OBS is in or detect has this resolution 2560 by 1440. So I'll keep that selected. And as the FPS, if you're recording games, for example, you would need to go as high as 60, but for just general purposes, desktop or general app recording, 30 should be fine. I'll press next. So it detects the hardware and the recording quality to high quality and medium, and I'll show you how to change that later. The base resolution to 2560 by 1440, and the output scale resolution is less than that, is 1920 by 1080, and I'll show you how to change that later to match the base resolution to get a higher quality. So for now, I apply setting. Okay, so after that, the first thing we need is first you will have a scene defined under the scenes, and to start recording your videos and audio and this system output, you will need to add sources that needed to be recorded. So first, I will add a source for the display capture, and that will that record the video and the monitor or the picture captures on your screen. So that's first need to be added, and you can call it anything you want, rename it. So I'll just keep it as a display capture, and I'll confirm with OK. All right. And I'll say OK again. Okay, then I would also like to record my mic, so I'll add another source. It's audio input capture. And I can just rename it as mic for short. And OK. And OK. And if you want to record the audio output from an app, for example, a music app on your PC or a website, you can add that source too, and it would be the output capture. And I'll just keep it in the same name. Press OK to confirm. and then OK. Okay, so we may encounter an error once it should be ready to start recording at this stage, but you may encounter an error, and I'll show you how to handle that. So if I to start recording, from here I could press start recording, and the error said failed to start recording, and it could be saying something else, like your hard drive need to be updated. Make sure it's updated. But I'll show you how you can fix it. So by pressing OK, go to File, Settings, and under the output, in the encoder field, change the settings from hardware to software, and X to 64. And for the recording, within the encoder field, change that to software as well, X to 64, and click apply, and then OK. And hopefully now when we start recording again, the issue would be gone. There we go. I'll stop recording for now. Okay. So what else? The video resolution. The resolution of the recording, based on the settings we set so far, is not bad. But if you after a high quality resolution, I'll show you the settings that works for me. So if we go to File, Settings, and under the output, and under the recording quality, I will change that from high quality medium file size to indistinguishable quality large file size. I found that's great quality and work the best for the purpose of most of my videos. So we can select that. What else you can change? The recording format is MKV. If you're recording long videos, the positive thing of this format is, let's say some error happened and your machine shut down or restarted all of a sudden or has a break, there is a possibility to go back and continue on that video. So it's more resilient. But if you're recording short videos, and the chance or the likelihood of a breakdown to happen is less, you could select another format. In this case, we can select MP4. It's a great format, and many editing apps use that. So I'll change that to MP4 and click apply. We can go also to the video and make sure the output or the scale resolution is matching the canvas base resolution. In this case, I will get the high resolution as is my base canvas. So I'll just select an option to match it. That's the option. And again, apply and OK. And now you're ready to record with a decent quality. So to start recording, click Start. I'll just do something. For example, open Chrome here. Press OK. Type, I don't know, test. Okay. And now let's stop recording. To show the videos that been recorded quickly, I could just go to File, Show Recording, and it will show me the folder. And I can double click on. And there you have it. You have a great, free, good quality open source tool to record your videos on the machine of your choosing.